compare, like, what the hell, man?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another video. What is going on? I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to be feeding the soul. Is it the soul? The stomach?
The stomach.
Okay.
But
You still
maybe
food for
yeah.
the soul
Yeah.
and stuff.
But
Yeah.
wait, I thought music is food.
No, whatever.
For the soul.
We
Okay.
are going to put stuff into our stomachs, and as you can tell from the title, it's a Swahili versus Shona challenge. My friend is from Kenya, and I'm from Zimbabwe. I speak Shona, she speaks Swahili, so our languages are a bit similar. So yeah, I have to guess what she's gonna say, and she has to guess what I say in Shona. You dig? Anyways, we've got food here. Like I mentioned. Stop it. So get yours. We've got chips. I ordered from NFC, and we ordered, what's it called? Valanche.
She has no idea what she's talking about.
Valanche, whatever menu. And this is what's in there: chips, and we've got wraps. Get yours. I'm not doing the work for you.
I thought you were doing it for me. I mean, I am a guest on your show anyway, so you know.
So I hope you guys can see it. Okay, you're gonna see it when we remove everything. And then we've got mini burgers, and then yeah, what else? Oh, and the nuggets, the tiny nuggets.
Oh, so tiny.
Very tiny. Yeah, that's it. A little burger. So I also got pizza rolls
From Domino's.
Yep.
I love Domino's.
Really? I didn't know you love Domino's.
Yep. I think that pizza is the best.
Really?
Right?
Yeah, they have the best pizza. Hey, what's going on here?
Oh, that's how Zimbabweans react to some weird stuff, though.
How? What's that supposed to mean?
I'm just saying. Who says hey?
Anyways, we've got juice with no straws.
Bye. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, Tanya here has not eaten all day just because she wanted to do this, like, weirdo. I had breakfast though, like, you know, because I'm a foodie.
Put this away.
Yeah, sure. Like, what the hell?
So yeah, guys, if you see me devouring this food, just understand that I did not eat, and this is literally my first meal, because I had tons of things to do, and I had to do them in a hurry. That's my excuse.
Doesn't make any sense, but okay.
It does.
I don't know if she's a foodie like me though.
I'm not
sure.
You're
not
foodie.
right.
The thing with me is I eat when I want to eat, and then I eat at intervals. Like, I don't eat much at one go, but I eat at intervals. You get it?
Iced tea.
This is so good.
Guys, she's taking too long.
You can start eating. Why are you eating for me?
I mean, we are partners.
Okay. Yeah, for those that think that when you have long meals you can't open a can, you definitely can. Please don't embarrass
And
me.
she's struggling.
I'm not struggling. So, will you start or should I?
Nasikia njaa leo. Nasikia njaa.
What did you just say?
Nasikia njaa. I'm literally speaking Swahili now.
Nasikia njaa.
She has no clue.
So nasikia njaa. Wait. Nasikia njaa.
I mean. Connect the dots.
Nasikia njaa. I'm eating.
No. But I'm almost. Basically what I said is I'm very hungry.
I wanted to say I'm very hungry. I swear, I was gonna say that. But I was just like, can't be too sure. Because we're eating, I thought maybe that's what you meant.
Okay. I'm listening.
Ndiri kuenda kumba.
Pardon?
Ndiri kuenda kumba.
I went to buy food. But I'm sure Ndiriko something is I went somewhere.
Ndiri kuenda.
I'm
going.
going. Yes, I'm going.
Kumba. Home. I'm going home.
Okay. Let's see. Hi, chakula ni tamu. Hii chakula ni tamu.
I feel like you're saying hot stuff.
That's like simple Swahili.
Hii
chakula ni tamu.
Hii chakula ni tamu. Hii chakula ni tamu. Kichakula ni tamu.
Wow, this challenge is proving to be a challenge.
Hii chakula ni tamu. I'm going to eat this food.
I literally showed you. I was like, hii chakula ni tamu. This food is delicious. Hey! Guys, I don't know what's happening. Like...
Okay. I want to say something food related.
Okay, yeah, sure. The fact that you have to think about what to say, that's really weird.
No, because like I can't say. I'm thinking of like short phrases. Do you get?
Yeah.
So I don't want to like make it long because it's gonna be harder.
Twende.
You're asking me.
I spoke Swahili. Twende.
Let's go.
Yay!
Woo!
That's 1-0.
Twende.
Let's go. Slay Queen Mama.
What's that supposed to mean? Ndinemari.
Ndinemari. Ndi is I, right? Ndinemari. Oh, that's Bo, guys. Ndinemari. I have no idea. I just know Ndi is me. Ndinemari.
Ndine, like, it's possessive. Ndinemari.
Mine. It is mine.
I have money.
Hey! Do you know what money
Even
is in
though I
Swahili?
don't. What?
Pesa. I know, right? So far from you guys. NFC, thank you.
I really want to see what's inside here. Why does it look like this cup? There's green stuff.
Those they look like nuggets.
They are nuggets actually. They're
Nice.
nuggets. So it's like a nugget wrap. I'm supposed to cut this, but I'm going to use my God-given. I genuinely am not going to finish this food.
I swear, me too. Njoo.
Do that just again. Do it.
Njoo.
Sitting. Wait, let me get some.
Okay.
Come.
Yes.
Woo!
No, it's like 2 points for you and a half point for me.
I'm not even keeping track of that.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Auntie, it's my turn. Mine.
Okay.
Ndakarara.
I am sleeping.
How did you know that?
Yeah.
How did you know that?
Sleep for Swahili is lala.
Now that it's your turn, you're quiet. But when I'm supposed to talk, that's when you talk.
Aki napenda chakula. Napenda chakula.
I love food.
Yeah. But I feel like I'm giving you simple things
You wanted to give me a
which are pretty obvious. Let's see. Oh, I wanted to say I was looking for a way to say I was looking for a way to say I miss my boyfriend.
Oh.
Yes. This is going to spark up something.
Ndaguta.
Ndaguta.
Can you guys see these rolls? So appetizing.
They look amazing, actually.
You know, I'm a disorganized eater. I'm jumping from one thing to that. I didn't even finish the burger. I'm just everywhere.
You kind of want to taste everything, right?
And I'm getting full already.
What did you say again?
Ndaguta. Excuse me.
Look at Bo.
He's given up. He's done trying.
Ndaguta. I am going. I am here.
Food related.
I'm hungry.
What's going on now?
I'm
Ndaguta.
eating. Right? I'm chewing.
Just shut up. I'm full.
Oh, for real. Like for real, you're full.
Don't
Or it's
ask
just
me
a-
stupid questions. Don't ask
Or
me
it's
stupid
just,
questions.
a challenge.
We are talking. Don't ask me stupid questions.
This is what I have to deal with, man. Okay, so ninaenda.
I'm going.
How the hell did you know?
Ha!
No, like I'm actually worried now. Like what's happening?
Ninaenda. I'm going. And Shona is Ndakuyenda.
Oh, Ndakuyenda. Yeah, I've heard of that one. I think there's a tribe in my country that I think they say the same thing
Really?
as you guys. Yeah.
How many tribes do you guys have?
49.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys have 49 and everybody speaks Swahili.
Swahili is the national language, but there's some parts they don't really know how to speak Swahili.
Really?
They just speak their own tribe. Yep. How many tribes do you have? Notes, guys, I already know the answer to this one.
We have 2, right? But then we have Shona and Ndebele. But then we also have like tribes at the borders, like Venda, and there's also like a tribe in South Africa, Venda and some other tribe that I've forgotten the name. Also by the border. It's by the border. Like do you know what? Oh, Tonga people.
I think I've heard of the Tonga people. So how come they're not recognized?
They are recognized, but then they're not like in the main cities, like the big cities and all that. Like you hardly find them. Or if you do find them, they already know how to speak Shona.
And your president is their president too. That was a weird question.
Yeah.
I swear. I'm like, I swear, you actually look tired. You're tired of eating. Like, it's so obvious.
You know the weird thing? I'll be full right now. 2 hours later, I want to eat again.
That's a weird type of eating.
Yeah.
But I'm also full. I swear I'm full. Bo, talk to me. Tanya, I think you can make this.
In Dubai, I can make pizza rolls.
Oh, you
Never learned how to make them. They seem easy to make, but I don't know how to make them.
Basically, I know you can figure it out if you want.
Oh, you believe in me. Oh.
Well, yeah, what can I say?
Bo, your tactics will not work. We're not giving you anything. Go to your bed now. Now.
Based on she's a mom. Ish.
I'm not a mom, I'm a dog owner. I'm not a mom yet.
Do you want to be?
Do
you want to be a mom?
Who's mom? I should have a kid. I'm not ready. And I don't see myself getting ready anytime soon.
How old are you again?
See ya. This right here. I could literally clap you. Yes, because of saying that. How dare you ask me how old I am in the same sentence or in the same, we're talking about children and you're like, how old am I? What does age? Yeah, I wanted to say age.
Age. Hey, Yoruba people. Age.
You know what? I always make fun of that accent and how they pronounce words. So most times when I'm sending messages, right? Like recently I sent Una a message. And I was like, how did I say? But I used the edge factor, like that edge. Hitting.
Wait, in a text? Oh my god. Tanya, no.
No, that it was intentional.
Oh. Oh, guys, my heart was.
No, I'm actually offended.
Why are you offended?
Because why would you think that I actually sent that message?
That's know.
How I typed it.
It could happen. I mean, you just said age right now. Age. She meant age. Yeah, but I understand. I get you. I understand. Iced tea.
Okay.
So what's up?
Let me ask you again. Inguvai.
Inguvai. Honestly, this one I cannot even guess because most of the ones that you gave me, right, they had a me and they and D and they, so it was easier. I have no idea what this is. Inguvai. Wait. You love me.
Yeah, I do, but like that's not what it means.
Aww. What does it mean? Okay, Slay Mama, you can talk.
What time is it?
Inguvai. I'm actually asking the time.
I don't know.
Nakupenda.
I love you.
Oh yeah, I think
love
everyone
you.
knows that. Everyone should actually know that one, right? Let's make this interesting. Honestly,
I already
nothing
have
is
one.
coming to mind.
What do you mean you speak Swahili, Erica? You don't actually speak
I
Swahili.
really don't speak Swahili. Like, I really don't. I have no one to speak Swahili with.
Oh, shame. That's sad.
No, it's not sad for me. I'm actually okay with it.
You're not speaking Swahili. Don't you miss speaking Swahili?
No, not really.
Really? You don't miss speaking your language? But I do that sometimes. You know, with my friends and everything. Like, so
what's
we are
an
done.
outro? No, she actually just spoke about it like now. So
The outro is like the ending of the video.
Oh, but why are you answering me like it's? Did I force you?
Because that was not meant
talk
to be
about
the
it. There's something called editing, cuts. You know.
I'm really not
know this
gonna.
by
I'm
now.
really not gonna cut this part.
Are you serious?
I'm not gonna put it like that. I promise.
So she goes with the outro. Guys, we're doing the outro.
Guys.
Okay, I just like the word though. It's new.
Guys,
Okay.
we're done eating. We're full. Like we can
So
barely
full.
move. After I finish recording, I'm still gonna sit here and let the food, go down. But anyways, I hope you like this video and give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel, please.
Yeah, she's awesome, guys. Just
There's more
Do your
content
thing.
coming, I promise. I'm getting used to all this, Why are you dancing?
I'm excited. It's my first time being on camera. Like I'm really excited. You have no idea. And then oh yeah, by the way, I need us to talk about something. So once you're out there and you're doing your thing, and this video has like 50,000 views, I think you should start paying me.
Guys, anyways. Yeah. Like I said, give it a thumbs up and share it. That'll be so kind of you. Okay, anyways, now I guess that's it. We're just going to sit here and let the food go down. And it's probably going to be me insulting her. Yeah,
I go through that. It's okay.
so anyways, that's it for today. Bye.
Wait, you didn't even introduce me.
Oh, sorry. Her name is Lucky. She's my very, very good friend. Yes.
Kinda.
And she said that she's going to host me in Kenya.
It's said,
And
it's not said, it's said.
I said
You said you
She
said,
said.
you said
She
she
said.
It's she said. She said.
okay. Wait. How do you pronounce SAD?
Said.
She
Zimbabwean.
said she's going to host me in Kenya. So that means I've got places to go to if I leave this country.
In Dubai.
Oh yeah.
I got you.
So anyways, that's it for now. Bye.